Welcome back to Creatober 2023, day 24. I had two ideas for our prompt today, which is tears. This word can of course be interpreted in different ways. At first I wanted to do something with square axis track tears, but then I had a better idea. I went and designed two posters in Illustrator which were almost similar but not entirely. I used two different renders, one for a head and one from a skull, and I rearranged other parts of the poster. I then printed both of the posters out on two different colors of paper and actually made tears in the poster to expose different part of each poster. This concept was really fun to do and I'm intended to design more artworks or posters like this one. So if you want to get the project file from this video, you can become a Patreon member. All of the 31 project files from Creatober will be available for the inner core members on my Patreon channel. So that means that you can get the PSD files, Illustrator files, Cinema 4D files, anything that I use in that project. If you want to learn more, check out the link in the description down below.